Two men experiencing homelessness in Montreal, both over 60, passed away within one day due to health-related issues. These deaths highlight the fragile health conditions many face while homeless, underscoring urgent needs in shelter care. Montreal continues addressing homelessness with new strategies including designated encampment areas and investigations by the provincial coroner. Local leaders emphasize the importance of collaboration and improved care to prevent future losses in this ongoing crisis. In response to these tragedies, Montreal is dedicating over $400,000 to community organizations to provide psychosocial support and improve services in encampments. This funding aims to better connect vulnerable individuals with help and coordinate local efforts. This case had a significant impact on the community, leading to the creation of a police unit focused on gun traffickers. The sentencing for attempted murder charges will take place in 2026, underscoring the long-term effects of gang violence on innocent bystanders. The shooting tragically killed 15-year-old Mariam Boundawi during a conflict between two family businesses. Though Tuaibi admitted to firing the shots, he claimed his intent was only to scare, not to harm anyone. Salim Tuaibi was found guilty of first-degree murder and 4 counts of attempted murder for a drive-by shooting in Montreal in 2021. Interestingly, his co-accused was acquitted of all charges.
The court also debated whether Bill 21 oversteps Canada's tradition of secularism by banning religious expression, with discussions on the role of courts in reviewing laws invoking the notwithstanding clause. Concerns were raised about potential misuse of the notwithstanding clause, while judges emphasized that all communities reflect diversity. The law's impact on people, particularly Muslim women facing exclusion, was a key focus. Quebec's Bill 21, which prohibits certain public employees from wearing religious symbols, is under Supreme Court review, highlighting the complex legal use of the notwithstanding clause and its anticipated ruling. The crash investigation continues, with Rousseau invited to testify before the Official Languages Committee. He has committed to improving his French following previous controversies related to language skills. Michael Rousseau, CEO of Air Canada, apologized for not expressing condolences adequately in French after the tragic crash in New York, acknowledging his limited French skills in the condolence video. The apology in English only sparked criticism from Canadian officials, including the Prime Minister and Quebec Premier, who called the decision disrespectful and questioned Rousseau's suitability in his role. 2 Air Canada pilots lost their lives in a collision at LaGuardia Airport when their plane struck a fire truck that was crossing the runway. This tragic event shocked the community and aviation sector. The bodies of pilots Mackenzie Gunther and Antoine Forrest were brought back to Canada, deeply affecting their hometowns and fellow pilots. The incident has caused mourning and reflection across the aviation community. Following the collision, the runway was closed for investigation but has since reopened. The National Transportation Safety Board is continuing to investigate, while flight delays and cancellations remain significant. Emergency responders, including Montreal police, firefighters, and Urgences Santé, are using ground patrols, water searches, and drone technology to locate the missing individual. 2 men fell into the Rivière des Prairies after the ice broke, leading to a rescue operation in Montreal's West Island area. Authorities responded after a 911 call near Ile-Bizard. 1 man has been rescued and is recovering in hospital, but the other remains missing. Investigators are collecting witness statements to understand the circumstances of the incident.